Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming power and a stable Bluetooth link. Do it now. Open the Firebolt companion app on your phone, sign in, and pair with the watch. Grant storage and photo permissions so images transfer. Once paired, tap the watch tile in the app and choose the watch face or customization menu. That gets you to wallpaper options. Don't pause, pairing and permissions are essential so the app can send files straight away to the watch. You now select the image you want and why it matters. Aspect ratio affects how it fits on the round/square screen. In the app, choose Edit Crop to the watch's shape, zoom to position the subject, and rotate if needed. Preview the mock watch face to confirm clarity and positioning. Once satisfied, tap Upload or Set Watch Face. Watch the progress indicator until it reaches 100%. This ensures the file fully transfers and displays correct. You finish by confirming the new wallpaper is active. Wake the watch and inspect both the idle and active screens. If the old image persists, force a resync from the app and reapply the face. Make sure watch firmware and the app are current because mismatches can block transfers. If problems continue, restart both devices, retry the upload, and then check permissions again. That single troubleshooting step, reboot and resync, resolves most transfer.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.